Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Videopress in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, let's navigate to wordpress.com and then log into your account. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, filled with various editing and customization tools. On the right panel, notice the section called Quick Links. Here you'll want to select Edit Site. This option is your gateway to making changes and adding content directly to your WordPress site. Now, once you're in the site editing mode, the next step is to add a block. You'll find this action under the plus icon visible on your editing dashboard. Clicking this icon will reveal a variety of block options to choose from. Move forward by typing video, press into the search bar that appears after clicking the plus icon. Videopress is a powerful feature integrated into WordPress to help streamline video content uploads on your site. Once you type it in, you'll see the Videopress option pop up in the list. Then simply click on Videopress. Doing this will insert the Videopress block into your selected section of the page. This block is an incredibly useful tool to showcase videos directly on your website with minimal effort, and it maintains a high quality of playback and compatibility with different devices. And that's it. So that is how you can add Videopress in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.